problem 2 of the review asks us to check the conditions for both of these scenarios that we did in 1. So in number 1, for A, we had the situation where it was measuring the height of the high school girls, and we have, it was given as an SRS. Is it reasonable to think that there are more than 481 students hang on, let me write that differently. 10% of a large high school and this is just girls, is greater than or equal to the 48 in the sample. I think that's reasonable to assume. A large high school is definitely going to have more than 480 girls, I think. I think that's reasonable to assume. RTA, don't use that on the AP test, but you can use it for me. It's reasonable to assume that there are more than 480 girls at this high school. Now, is it normal? Yes, because our sample size is greater than 30. 48 is greater than or equal to 30. That's a check, so it's normal by the CLT. Now that would fly on an AP test. Norm by the CLT, I think they would be just fine with that. Okay, on B though, we've got a proportion. So, is it an SRS? It does say that they took a random sample, so SRS is given. And this is the dancing in the rain problem. Where are they doing it? Again, it's a high school. So is it reasonable to think that 10% of the students at a high school are greater than 80? Yeah, there aren't very many high schools that I've experienced that are less than 800 students. So I think we're good there. Again, reasonable to assume. RTA. Don't use that on the AP test. Just use it for yourself. And then, is it normal? So this is where we have to take our N times P. So N being 80 times 0.25. Our P, that's the null hypothesis P, by the way, has to be greater than or equal to 10, and it is, that's 20. And is 80 times 1 minus P, 0.25, also greater than or equal to 10, and you bet it is, that's 60. So we've met our conditions for problem 2.